Hi, welcome to EasyTechProgrammer YouTube channels. In this video, I will teach you about relational operators, how relational operators are working in C programming. Relational operators are nothing but 5 types, and there are 5 types of relational operators are available. These are less than, greater than, less than or equals, and greater than or equals to, and equality. These 5 operators are actually check these statements that these are satisfied, the two numbers is satisfied or not. This less than is check the these two numbers are less than to each others or not. This greater than is also check this less than or equals to check this greater than or equal this less than or equals to check this number is less than to another numbers or equals to another numbers. If it is equals, this condition is satisfied, it give output to true, and if not, so it will give the output as false. And this greater than or equals to operators also same works. It's if the numbers is greater than to another number, so it will give ones, or not if the two numbers one number is greater than to one numbers are equals to another number, so it will give also true one, and another it will not give true, it will give a false as a output as a 0. And this equality operators actual work as a if two numbers are equals, it will give ones, or if not, it will give 0. Okay, so for others programs as other programs we need a main functions. We have to these compilations are start from the main function, so we need a main functions and we have to try it. So I take here two variables. These two variables are data types is int, and this first I display some message and enter two numbers for users, and take the input in this a variables and the b variables. For that I use scanf. In this scanf actually take the value of a and b, and it stores in the address of a and address of b. And next I print some conditions, some relational operators. Okay, so int a comma b. Here for in this percentage d for printing a, this percentage d for printing b, and this less than operators it will print as it is, and this equal to print also as it is, and this percentage d will print the in less than. So this percentage d also actual prints the result that a less than b is true. If it is true, it will print 1. If it is false, it will print 0. Same way this a greater than b also printed. This a less than equals to b, that means it if a less than to b, it will printed 1. If a equal to b, it's also printed 1. And if a greater than to b, it will print 0. Same way this, and this a equal to b, that means if the two numbers are equal, then it will print the 1, and if not, then it will print 0. And second calculation is off. And now compile and run. So build, compile, build and run. So here it's give a message, enter two numbers. So I give here two numbers as 2 and 4, and it's give outputs here 2 less than 4. This 2 is for this percentage d, and this percentage d for 4, and this equal to here display as it is, and a less than b, 2 less than 4 true, so 1, 2 greater than 4 false, it's so 0, 2 less than equals to 4, so it's true, so 1, 2 greater than equals to 4, it's false, so it's give 0, and 2 equal to 4, it's also false, so it's printed 0. Okay, now try with another value, equal value. So I take I take the input as 2 and 2, and it gives equals operators are give ones, and less than and greater than operators are not giving true, it's giving false. Okay, and one things you have to know that 1 I here I use slash n. For this slash n, this output is printing with after one line after. So each line is is after each line. So this slash lines is giving new lines. This cursor, the cursor is taking to the next lines. Work is done by this slash 9 slash n. Okay, this slash n is work for the next line. Okay, so this that's for relational operators. And please like and comment. If you have any problem in any topics, please comment me and inform me that I have problem in this topic. Please explain, so I will explain again. And if to upload a video needed, I will upload also another video for explain on all the things you have problems. Okay, so please subscribe and press the bell icons and for getting notifications when I upload the video. Okay, thank you, bye and take care.